Hello everyone! Welcome back to Tech Talk. Today, we've got something truly exciting to share with you, the brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. This video will dive deep into its specs, details, and everything you need to know about this incredible foldable smartphone. Stick around because there's a lot to cover, but before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the design. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 is the latest addition to Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip series, combining cutting-edge technology with a stunning design. Just like its predecessors, the Z Flip 5 is a foldable smartphone. However, it boasts a refined design with a slim profile and premium materials. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 features a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate for smoother scrolling and crisp visuals. It's not just larger, it's more vibrant and immersive than ever. What sets the Z Flip series apart is its foldable design. It easily fits into your pocket, making it incredibly portable. Plus, it's engineered for durability with a refined hinge mechanism. Under the hood, the Z Flip 5 packs a punch. It's powered by the latest Snapdragon processor, ensuring speedy performance for multitasking, gaming, and more. And of course, it runs on Samsung's One UI for a seamless user experience. Now, let's talk about cameras. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 boasts a versatile and capable camera system. Equipped with a dual camera setup, it features a 12-megapixel main camera and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. This combination enables users to capture stunning photos and videos with vibrant colors and sharp details. Whether you're taking a scenic landscape shot or a group selfie, the camera system on the Z Flip 5 delivers excellent results. It also benefits from Samsung's image processing software, which enhances the overall quality of your shots. With the Z Flip 5, you'll have the tools to capture memorable moments with ease and style, all in a compact, pocket-sized form factor. Battery life is always a concern with smartphones. The Z Flip 5 has an impressive battery that'll keep you going all day, and it supports fast charging and wireless charging for added convenience. In today's fast-paced world, 5G connectivity is crucial. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 is 5G ready, ensuring you stay connected with lightning-fast data speeds wherever you go. Samsung always keeps its software up to date. The Z Flip 5 runs on the latest Android OS and will receive regular updates, ensuring you have access to the latest features and security enhancements. Now, let's talk about some special features. The Z Flip 5 has a unique flex mode, allowing you to use the phone in different configurations for various tasks. Plus, Samsung continues to improve its multitasking capabilities with enhanced app continuity. So, there you have it, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. It's a marvel of engineering, offering a blend of style, performance, and innovation in a compact, foldable design. If you're looking for an outstanding smartphone, the Z Flip 5 is worth considering. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tech content. Have any questions about the Z Flip 5? Drop them in the comments below, and we'll be happy to answer. Stay tuned for more reviews, comparisons, and tech insights. Until next time. Thanks for watching.